Hello everyone. Hello everyone. And today we have tada! Aquabeads with cars. Wow! So Aquabeads are these beads that stick together when you spray them with water. And in this kit you can make a 3D lightning McQueen. Wow! So let's open it. So here's everything that was in the box. The beads, the water sprayer, the instructions, the thing to put the beads on, and here are the tires and such. And here we have this thing. So here's what we have to do. We lay this over top and then we put the beads on it like so. So now we're gonna put the beads there. That's basically all you have to do. Now I have to spray it with some water. It says to spray a lot of water. So now we have to let it dry for 10 minutes. And then you have to scrape it off with this thing. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the rest of the parts. Okay, so I actually let the rest of them dry for longer after spraying them with water. Because the first one, kind of broke when I scraped it off with that thing. If you get this kit, don't listen to the instructions. Let them dry for longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so all the parts are done. Now we have to put it together. Yeah. Okay, so we have to stack everything on top of each other and then spray it with water in between. So, and now we have to put the base together. And then when McQueen is dry, you put him on top of the base. So yeah, here he is. Wow! So I'm gonna show him up close. Yeah, I enjoyed putting it together. I thought he wasn't gonna be that sturdy, but he does feel quite sturdy. Yeah, the wheels actually roll, so he can drive. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye! See you next time. Ah!